Hey, today we're going to be installing this RK titanium exhaust on the Corolla. I have it jacked up right now. I'm going to be installing this just by myself today. Hopefully it doesn't go too bad. So it's going to be a catback exhaust. So right there, those have to come out. Those right there. And then we're going to take all this out. Swap it out for that one. All right, some prep we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking this off because when I drop it, I'm most likely gonna be dropping all of these. Okay, and I don't want this to get damaged. So remove these first, and then we'll start working on the other stuff. Okay, quick diagram for reference. Just trying to see what the hell is in these goddamn things. Goes so I don't forget. Okay, so I got those bolts off right now. I was looking for more bolts. Yeah, this thing has a fucking resonator delete, ghetto as fuck, I know. So there's no more bolts holding it. It's just gonna be these hangers holding the exhaust on. I already took this part off, so I'll worry if this shit falls. Trust me when I tell you to get one of these fucking exhaust clamps. This shit makes it so easy to fucking pop this out. Look how easy that is. You just pull, pop it out. That's so fucking easy instead of having to struggle over there with like a pry bar and who knows what other ways before this shit. So I'm just gonna start getting these off slowly with this and then the other side. And then lastly, I'm gonna do that last one. I think there's one more right here somewhere. Okay, so one thing not to do, it's gonna come with its own fucking hardware. I tried for the longest to use these, thinking that that's what I needed. Nope. It comes with its own hardware and bolts to secure in that area. So it's easiest to start with that first section and then do this section afterwards. So you can adjust everything and try to get it as flush as you can. So this is what I have right now for the time being. It looks kind of crooked, but I'm at my buddy's house, so it's getting dark and I need to head back to OC area. So this is still gonna be adjusted and we'll get some sound clips right now. Okay, so this is gonna be the first start after the install.